To create a specialized profile in Upwork, start by going to Upwork.com and navigating to the home page. If you don't already have a freelancer account, you'll need to create one by clicking the Sign Up button. Once you have an account, log in and take advantage of the various freelancer conveniences. In the upper left corner, click on the Find Work tab, where you'll see a new option under Profile. Creating a specialized profile is a straightforward process. Begin by going to Find Work, and then Profile to preview how your specialized profile will appear to clients. From there, select View, and then navigate to Profile Settings, where you can edit your profile and add a specialized profile. You can also preview how it will look to clients. By following these steps, you can effectively create a specialized profile in Upwork.